Imagine yourself in this Jeep 2018 Wrangler Unlimited Sport. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include 8 speakers, AM/FM radio, radio data system, radio, Uconnect 3 with 5 display, air conditioning, power steering, steering wheel mounted audio controls, normal duty suspension and traction control. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.